Of World Youth Skill Day, I'm going to deliver a speech. Today is 15 July, which is celebrated as World Youth Skill Day. Good morning to all, Honorable Principal Ma'am, Manager Sir, respected teachers, dignitaries, and my dear friends. Today, on the occasion of World Youth Skill Day, I feel honored to stand before you and speak about something that holds the power to shape our future: skills. This special day, celebrated every year on 15 July, is dedicated to recognizing the importance of equipping youth people with skill for employment, entrepreneurship, and innovation. It was established by the United Nations to highlight how technical and vocational education can change lives. And today we are living example of that mission. As a student of Automotive stream at District CM School of Excellence, we are not just learning how to fix engines or design machines. We are building the future of mobility. Our hands-on training, our understanding of new automotive technology, and our curiosity of learning are all preparing us to real-world challenges. Let us use this day to celebrate our journey of learning. Let us also thank our teachers and mentors who guide us with dedication. And let us pledge to never stop learning, never stop practice, and never stop dreaming big. To all my fellow students, believe in your skill because your hands, your mind, and your passion can build a better world. Thank you and happy World Skills Day. Jai Hind.